Now we're looking on the ocean. It's a bit overcast. And you know, with the parish, with our Portland, and you know the things set. When you're in Portland, you have the oceans, and you know the parish of bays, all the bays, right? So and when you come around this place, you find a lot of fishermen, you know. So you're going to find one fisherman, you know, where say, he's an original fisherman in this area. And I think that's how it works. But guess what happened? I'm going to know Raphael. And he's on vacation. This time we take about the trade, you know, get him slacks together. So I will talk to the man named Mr. Raphael. You know, it's a female in this. You know, so we're there, the lane and Chovy, and we're going to talk to Mr. Raphael. But him say do something minor, easy and cool today. See, boss, eh? Yeah, Mr. Raphael, what go on?
How there today, do?
Are we here, pan, boss?
They are going to show you how the fishing, no? Swim around. Snapper, you know? So we get the line them. So we do the line them to get the snapper them.
Where you going there? Let me see where I going there.
So you know, say when you look on this now, you can see size of hooks, you know it's no joke.
Oh, man.
You know, you use this little one.
You're going to wheel your catch, boss?
Yeah, man, you get the nice one them. So you know, say a 5 pound up.
Aye.
250 pound strain.
Yes, sir. And the 250 strain look like this.
Yeah.
Massive.
So we just do this, so we just tie it up like this. Hook and just line, hook and line. We don't need no sinker, just bait.
So boss, look like you go shopping today, man?
Yeah, man, we go shopping, just do the thing.
Okay.
You understand what I say? So, pretty much this it. After this now, 2 days after this now, couple days after this now, we see you go. This is just preparation.
So how you prep them thing and you forget out a seed and you put it in the water and get them big thing we are talking about?
We just, basically, we just tie up a line, get the line, 250.
Yes.
Upwards, you know, strain.
Man.
And I have to use a gill gin with this strain because then I have enough teeth to chafe it and burst it. As you can see.
Alright.
So size 7 or 9 up.
Let me see that. Man. 7 and 9.
Can't bend, can't broke.
Okay.
You know? Only thing can bust is a shark. And no shark can bust it. That's the shark with more aggressive teeth. So you know, if it gone, you never need to dip on it.
Okay, cool.
So pretty much that's it. And then we just tie it up, get one little fish.
So which part of the water you really put this? Or you really put this just straight in the water like that?
No, you have to tie it underneath. And you know this got to roughly...
Tell me what I want.
Roughly you put this for roughly 100 feet of water. Then we there's 100 feet upwards.
So that's in the middle of the ocean as a dancer?
No, you tie them on a tree or a rock or whatsoever.
Okay.
We have to go at least 60 to 100 feet. Maybe less. Depends which spot you live.
Okay.
So at that depth you will find snapper. Because the reef overfish.
You're talking about yellowtail snapper?
Yellowtail and redtail. Sometimes we're lucky we get one jack. But most of the snapper you catch on these.
Okay.
You understand? So that's how they.
Okay.
When we show you finished product, we catch you back a couple of days after.
So you're the man with all the craft?
No craft.
Seem like you're crafty too, you know, because you want to outrun the fish them on this place, you know.
No,
or they swim around them, you know.
You have to learn to evolve in the environment. Because after a while, after spearing fish, you find out that the snapper then get faster and then get used to humans. So then start go deeper.
Okay, that's what happened.
So now, fish pot man and man who dive on tank, we catch them. But a diver, the risk probability is less.
Okay.
So you have to just, adjust, evolve to the environment. So we use this now. Hook and line and bait, not a sinker.
Okay, keep floating and everything good.
Yeah man, just put it down there, get all the fish, put it in the water, let it.
Snapper you deal with?
Yeah, get some nice.
So what the time, you just sit down there, you just left you and come in your yard, what you do?
Sometimes you swim, depends on the ground where you set it. You can just swim 5 minutes and you turn back.
You get something?
Yes, you see one fish, then you want to know where you reach it.
So where do this, night time or daytime?
Daytime. Early morning or late evening.
Oh, when they feed?
Yeah, prime time you feed it. Fish and fish are feed.
Okay.
That's it. And then we show you finished product further date.
When are the finished product? Can I come back here on a mission, you know?
Oh, no, we're on a mission. We just have to do it.
Do what you do?
Just do what we have to do. Tie up a line and prepare. Wait for the weather to clear up. Get some sun. Whatsoever. And all that. It'll be good. We'll check him out.
Alright. Now, there you have it from the man. Him saying the master. When they come on them thing. Him saying the master. Same side. Now him up on camera now I make him talk. But him tell me the master. When we on the shopping in terms of boss, I'm the master for this. So you have more this and more that. Now you're on camera, you must say I'm the master again. So here we have it from the man.
The master, this hook line.
Yeah.
Well, I will know the master. So.
Hear what happened? There you have it from the boss. So when we're gonna catch in the next video, it's gonna be Raphael with a couple snapper in him man. Taller than him. Yes, taller than me. So let's see about it. Well, as we say, we're in a Portland and you know the ocean today. The ocean kind of one way. You can hear it roar from a distance, eh? So today is not the right day to go out there and do all that. Fish eat today still enough. Fish have, you know, eat them food today, but today is a day where you need to stay away based on the weather. You know, it's not so good.
Yeah.
So let's see what happens.
Minimal visibility.
Alright, so let's see what happens. There we go. Raphael, man out of Boston, Massachusetts, has come back an anchovy scheme just to do him thing. Alright, so we're going to see what going on the next couple of days. Well, as we say, Pat Bottom Kitchen, you know, we are in every corner of this little parish here, getting the thing sorted. Yeah, getting the word out to the people. Yeah, and let's know if you guys like our videos, you know, if you guys enjoy the videos, watching the videos, just click and like. Okay, click and subscribe and like. Just let us know what's going on, and we read all comments. Don't forget about that. Yeah, because we need your feedback and what's happening. All right. So it's all about the environment. We're going to make sure the environment is well kept, and we have to do that. Not because we have camera, we can enforce, you know, the right type of rules and regulation will need to be enforced. All right. So there we have it. We are in Port Antonio, and we are at Anchovy. Yeah, this is the parish of Bays. So let's talk to you when Mr. Raphael catch the big one. All right, 30 pound. Let's see what happened. All right, talk to you soon. Pat Bottom Kitchen, taking it to the people again.
2 days later.
You know, we have a little mission from day to day, and the boss decided to accomplish, God need to accomplish his mission when started. So this is Mr. Rafa. So I'm out early in the morning and I was saying I'm going to do him thing. Yeah. Naturally I'm going to set the line and we start out. So what am I going to do? I'm really going to shoot any fish or anything like that. I'm just going to check him line them and pick up a couple of Wilks. Talk to the people and boss. Yes.
In the zone.
He's zone out, he's in the zone. He might take.
Prepare mentally for the training.
Yeah, prepare mentally for the little thing. So I just say him there and say I'm going to make a little turn. You know him have in line set out already. Then I'm going to check it out. Yeah. Now you say we still at Port Antonio. And you know, with the deep water. But I'm going to go deep water. Because we can't touch the sanctuary, you know. We can't touch nowhere in our sanctuary. You understand? So we have to go out. When we say out, way out we have to go.
Out and down.
Out and down. Okay, so we can't touch the sanctuary. You know, we have to prepare, make sure, prepare things for the next generation coming. Alright, so we have to make sure we enhance that. The environment is the key, and that's what we're all about right now, okay? Man is out. Yeah. Man is out and doing his thing. Well, you know, it's very important, yeah, that we take care of the sanctuary, you know, around this area. We have to take care of this area. So what we're going to do, we're going to head out from this area. But here what happened, no fishing. I guarantee you, no fishing going to be taking place in this area. Because this is the livelihood of the, you know, of the environment right here, you know. This is where the fish them come and feed. This is where they live, and you know the authorities, you know, make it a point of duty for know so boy we can fish in this area, and that's, you know, paramount. So you know, Pat Bottom Kitchen, Portland already, so we have to just out in the ocean and see what going. Where the sanctuary is, it does not fish in that area, and it's away from the area, behind the Navy Island, away from where the fish go away from the reef, the natural corals. You know, have to ensure all the fishermen and make them know, say, listen, you don't fish around this area. Else it's gonna be a problem. Okay, we'll get back to you in the next hour or two because the man gone deep sea. Alright? We'll talk to you later, guys. Pat Bottom Kitchen, taking it to the world. Well, the boss said the water too dark, so he decided to come back in early. Yes. Well, now the boss said I check this area to see what the wildlife is all about in this area. You know, you're not fishing in here, and just say I check the area. You see if it's better than the last 2 years when he left here. What really take place. You know? Alright. Huh? Okay, cool. Yes, man. This is the catch of the day. So you know what we're going for this now.
Pat Bottom Kitchen.
Pat Bottom Kitchen, I take care of that one, you're wicked, you know. So I say, the master, you don't know where we're talking about. Yeah? We have a curry, we have a curry that one. Yeah? I really, Wilks the boss I deal with, so the boss have some Wilks, huh? Yes. It's about a dozen
Red
Wilks.
peas.
Some red peas and things, and you know, so Pat Bottom Kitchen take it
You
to
know,
the
like,
world already. Yeah, man, see there? We call it sauce of fish, they call it one. Yes, man. So we are going. Yes. As we say, we have to take care of the wildlife. So you know we're going. You know, touch nothing nearby. We have to go way out to pick up all them things and get them things. Yeah. Over on the reef, yes? Behind the reef, that's all. Behind the reef we deal with the thing.
And go down that side.
Yeah, we go down that side.
Outside the sanctuary.
Yeah, outside of the sanctuary, behind that little white spot you see out there, a white mark, right? And you go keep right. Yeah, man. So the boss him just go take a look on the ocean while going if you see no fish or anything out there. The boss say it'll come back. It'll foul, it'll come back, Rafa. Yeah, man, it will come back. That's what we want here. 1 year, so the parrot fish them and they, you know?
They'll come back.
They will come back good,
Doing a good job.
Yeah. Yeah, after them just pass a while ago, you know, so?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, they do a good job, so they will do them things.
Also agents.
Yeah, they will do marine agents, them, you know? Take care of the marine life and things.
Yeah,
I think they will do a good job still.
Nobody, you know, just make you seem that with them.
Okay.
Come in and ask you, how do I inform you? You know, say you can't fish.
Walk on yourself.
Like I just
grab you and go put you in jail.
Deal with people like antagonize. No, man, make them come and deal you.
Okay.
Respectable. Talk to you, make you know what time it is.
Oh,
and
okay.
everybody know. You just do a white man, but you say everybody know.
Okay.
Talk to you, make you know what time it is.
Okay.
What you can do, what you can't do.
Okay. What you can catch, what you can't catch. What is under ban, what is under restriction. Yeah, at the same time, we don't really have fishing at the area where the fish them come to, you know, to them nurseries. So, you know, well, this is not, we are not really fishermen still now. We are just exploring.
Explorers.
Explorers, yes. We are just checking the thing out. We see what we have leave. Yeah. So that's just one of the things. Yeah. And as we say, Pat Bottom Kitchen, really appreciate the time that you spend with us. You know, and as we move on, we'll ensure that this place is protected, that it is our life. It's our life to do with the ecosystem. So, you know,
next generation.
The next generation. My grand, your great grand, you know. Take care of the business, alright? So, as we say, Pat Bottom Kitchen, so we have it, okay? A blessing same way. Pat Bottom Kitchen to the world. Pat Bottom.